skidding, fishtailing, and even rollover accidents during riding are mostly caused by improper braking. The Heybike Villain features high-performance hydraulic disc brakes with responsive stopping power. Proper braking techniques are required to unlock its full safety potential. For routine, gentle slowing on normal rides, rely mainly on the rear brake with the front brake as support. Tap the brakes lightly and progressively to reduce speed smoothly and keep the Villain balanced. In sudden emergencies, apply both front and rear brakes evenly and simultaneously to distribute load across the wheels, shorten stopping distance, and maintain bike control. Never squeeze the front brake hard on its own while riding. Instant front wheel lockup will easily lead to wheelie lifts, skidding, fishtailing, or even crashes. We also remind all parents and young riders to fully inspect the brakes before every ride. Check rotor wear. Test the tightness of brake levers, calipers, and all bolts, and feel the brake response to eliminate hidden dangers. If a full pre-ride check isn't feasible, perform a comprehensive maintenance inspection at least once a month. Always recheck the brakes immediately after intense bumpy off-road rides. Master standard braking skills, build a pre-ride inspection routine, and leverage the full safety package of the Villain to safeguard every off-road ride for young riders.